Hi friends, we're going to look at our W and X worksheet for today. So I'm going to remember the first thing I do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name. So I'm writing my name at the top. And I'm going to practice writing capital W. Remember, W is going to say wah, 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 like wiggle. And X is going to say x, 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 like x-ray. So the first thing I'm going to do is practice tracing my capital W. And then my lowercase w. You're going to trace the rest by yourself. Capital X and lowercase x. So remember, W is going to say wah, 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 and X is going to say x, x. My pictures are X-ray, wagon, xylophone, wave, wheel, walrus, X-ray. And at the end, this one's tricky. It's at the end, it's a box. So this is going to be another X, 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 X. Okay, friends? All right, my friends. So we're going to cut out and we're going to glue that first picture. So I see an X-ray, X, X, X. So I'm going to glue that under the letter X. All right, friends. So again, W is going to say wah, wah, and X is going to say x, x. You're going to do the rest by yourself, and we'll see you back here for writing.